Somebody should tell us right at the start of our lives that we are dying. Then we might live life to the limit every minute of every day. Do it, I say. Whatever you want to do it now. There are only so many tomorrows. Isn't it amazing? We all know we are dying. We all know there is a chance there won't be a tomorrow. Yet none of us really live like we know that. Too few of us really appreciate each moment, like we know that we are here for a short time only. Too few of us live a life we want to live, a life we are proud to live. Too few of us live with purpose and meaning. Thich Nhat Hanh said, "People say walking on water is a miracle. But to me, walking peacefully on earth is the real miracle." Too few of us are walking around this earth frantic, stress-filled and meaningless. We should open our eyes and realize we're not here for long, and we are all one. We should practice the peace we want to see, show the love we want to feel, and be the person we want to be. Wayne Dyer said, "Loving people live in a loving world. Hostile people live in a hostile world. Same world." It's a choice. It's a decision. We are living in the same world, and some are living in a loving way and some in a hostile way. We're not here for a long time. Let's make it a joy-filled time. You want more time to yourself? Good. Spend more time by yourself. If it is important to you, it's important to your world. It will make you better, and that will make those around you better too. We should remind ourselves that we are all dying. Never should we carry the burden of hate, of regret, or disappointment. We only have this moment, and this is the only moment we can decide to free ourselves from the past and live fully. Now is the only moment. Reminding yourself that this is a temporary experience frees you from the weight of pressure. Here's a daily affirmation you can try to bring more positivity to your life. Today, I will search for blessings. Today, I will search for things I can be grateful for. I know I have a lot to be thankful for. I know my life is full of blessings, full of meaning and full of purpose. I am thankful for my life. I know I am on this earth for a short time. I know I can never know just how short that short time will be. But I do promise to live my best life while I am here. I know my physical body is dying, but I am living, I am loving my life, I am feeling every blessing, I am noticing every miracle, I am taking time to know what is important to me. I am taking time to understand and live my purpose here on earth. My life is full of meaning. I live in a loving universe, a peaceful world, because I have a peaceful, loving heart. I will walk peacefully on this earth, with optimism, with positivity and joy in my heart. I will be the person I want to be, not matter how short this life might be. I will not stress over things I cannot control. I will look for the good. I know it's always there. I will look for the smiles. I will feel the blessings. I will live today.